Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. As some or most of you may know, yesterday was Cubelelo's 12th online competition, which is Cubelelo SpeedCubing Unlocked 12.0, and I participated in it without having much practice in other events apart from 3x3. And well, it was a kind of fun experience. I didn't do too well in like clock and pyramids, but in the other events I did fine, which were 4x4, 5x5, one-handed, and 3x3. And this is my 4x4 average from the competition, which was a 33.6 average, and I was very happy with this average because I didn't practice 4x4 at all, and it was like very surprising that I was still averaging like this well. However, the competition this time was very intense because we have like some amazing like upcoming cubers who like did really well. So I didn't even make the podium with this average, but I'm just happy that I was able to pull it off without much practice. And yeah, you guys, if you are interested, you should definitely participate in these competitions as well, because they give you a good sense of where you stand, and they're kind of fun to do as well. You know, just on a Sunday, if you have nothing to do, you could like actually participate in this during the day. So yeah, this is my average from that. And as for the Red Bull grind, it's still on. I haven't stopped at all. In fact, I hit 4,000 solves I think yesterday, so that's a good milestone, and I'm getting some very good averages. So I will be making a small recap either tonight or tomorrow night, in which I explain what's been going on about that. And yeah, I'll be reconstructing a very nice solve, which I think I'll make a separate video on because it was a very hilarious scramble. And yeah, so I guess that's all for this video, and just watch the average and enjoy. See you. Bye bye.